Hey everyone, welcome back. You know what really blows? When you buy some new jeans that fit properly, sit below your shoes, don't show your socks or your legs, it looks awesome, you're really happy, and then you go for a wash and a dry cycle and all of a sudden you're wearing high waters waiting for the flood, and then when you're sitting down in a chair, they even rise higher. This is something I've been dealing with jeans for many years. I'm going to be showing you the steps I've been doing for the past 10 years that prevent this from happening, as well as if you've already shrunken some of your jeans, how to get them back to the length that you would like. So it just takes a little bit more time when you're doing your laundry, but well worth it unless you just want to buy more jeans all the time. So let's get to it. All right, everyone, welcome to my laundry room. Step number one, we're going to be washing the jeans. Now, it's always a good idea to turn them inside out. This prevents fading. Not really what the point of this video is about, but it's an added step if you didn't know about that. Saves the longevity of your jeans. We're going to throw them in the washer, add your washing liquid. All right, we're gonna start up my washer. Now, whatever wash cycle you use, make sure the water temp is set to cold. If there's a super cold option, select that one. Cold as in Coors Light cold. I usually use Delicates because that does cold. Anyways, we're gonna start that. See you in 39 minutes. All right, it has been 39 minutes. Take out the old jeans. Ah, fresh as a baby's butt. We're gonna turn these inside or back from being inside out. Now you would think we might be gonna be throwing this in the dryer, but no. The dryer is the devil, stay clear. All right, next thing I do, take my pants, lay them out, take the heel of one of my legs, put it on the edge of the jeans, grab the waist area, and pull and hold for about 5 seconds. You don't want to yank on it, till you hear seams splitting or anything, but give it a good old yank for about 5 seconds. Once that's done, lay it back out. We're going to take my other leg, other heel, on the other side of the leg opening, grab the old crotchal region right here, pull, hold, 5 seconds. We're going to do a comparison between the two legs to see how much more length we got after this yank job. All right, got the legs laid out. As you can see, one is longer than the other. We'll see how much longer. Almost 4 inches, about 3.5. Not bad. All right, time to do the other side. Heel, edge of leg, yank. Oh, heard a little seam there, but not a problem. That's just called freedom. We'll do this side. Crotch region, family jewels area, pull up, yank, hold, 5 seconds, good to go. All right, so we're gonna be air drying these jeans after the yank job we just gave it. I usually throw mine over a door. If I have multiple jeans, throw it over multiple doors. I got tons of doors in my house, or you can use hangers if you prefer. So I found that air drying usually takes about 5 to 8 hours depending on the temperature. I usually leave mine 71, 72, 69 if I'm feeling rambunctious, but that's all there is to it. Now, one more thing I wanted to mention, you're gonna get different lengths when you stretch these back out depending on what the material is used in your denim. Obviously there's cotton in all jeans. If yours is 100% cotton jeans, I usually get about 1 inch to 1.5 inches, maybe sometimes 2 inches if I'm really yanking. I wear American Eagle jeans. These have like 20% polyester, so they have some stretch to them anyways. And as you can see in my measuring, I could get about 4.5 inches sometimes from jeans that have polyester in them. So keep that in mind. Hope you found this video informative on how to prevent jeans from shrinking or stretching them back out. Please hit that like button if you did. Hope this helps.